Welcome to the first and only SaaS News Digest featured on LinkedIn, covering news, events, and updates that are happening in SaaS community worldwide. This is the video digest number 9. Kim Waynes, Vice President of Cloud Strategy at Flexera, shares with us her blog post covering some important highlights from the 9th annual Flexera 2020 State of the Cloud report. The report focuses on infrastructure as a service and platform as a service models. Kim says, quote, "The 2020 cloud computing results show that enterprises continue to embrace multi-cloud and hybrid cloud strategies and are already using more than 2 public and 2 private clouds on average." End quote. An almost 50% cloud spend increase in expected upcoming year, but accurate forecasts are difficult because optimizing existing cloud use remains at the top of the company priority list for the 4th year in a row. Check out the blog post for more key findings from the survey, and thanks Kim for sharing this interesting highlights. Next up is a post by Jack Wallace, Head of Partnership at SignEasy and Board Chair at the Cloud Software Association. Jake shares with us a new Slack feature called Slack Connect, a messaging platform that directs communication out of the email inboxes into focused channels, allowing you to work more quickly with customers, partners, and vendors, as well as providing a more effective way for your team to work with external partners. With over 41,000 customers already using Slack Connect, it may become an important tool to know and use in the future. Thanks for bringing this feature to our attention, Jake. Our next article, written by Frederic Lardunois at TechCrunch, is about Amazon Web Services and their recent launch of a new no-code environment called Honeycode. In the article Why AWS Built a No-Code Tool, we learned that Honeycode was created to appeal to non-coders who want to build basic line of business applications, as Frederick states. If you know how to work a spreadsheet and want to turn into app, Honeycode is all you need. End quote. With a growing demand for a custom application that address customer problems, this new no-code environment eliminates the issue of finding developers or outsourcing help and puts the power to solve those customer problems into the hands of analysts, project managers, and other key players within the business. Thanks for sharing this fascinating new tool with us, Frederick. Next, we have an amazing resource for building better SaaS products in the 2020 SaaS Product Benchmarks report, compiled by OpenView Sam Richard, Director of Growth, and Kyle PR, VP of Market Strategy. This report clearly illustrates insights from over 150 SaaS company CEOs and product leaders. It focuses on conversion funnels and useful advice for driving growth by layering sales. The report enables pure comparisons across important metrics that will allow you to make informed, strategic decisions based on objective data. As Sam quotes, think of this as your go-to resource for building better products. Thank you, Sam and Kyle, for this informative report. Christine Hall from Crunchbase News writes that Amazon on Friday confirmed its acquisition of self-driving car startup Zoox. Amazon did not disclose the purchase amount, but the 6-year-old startup has raised $955 million in venture-backed funding already. Christine says that Zoox is, quote, building advanced mobility experiences aimed at supporting future needs of urban mobility, end quote. Icha Evans, Zoox CEO, says that acquisition will solidify Zoox's impacts on autonomous driving industry. This is definitely something we want to keep an eye on, so thank you, Christine, for sharing this news development. I hope you enjoyed SaaS News Digest number 9. The SaaS Digest belongs to all of us and provides value to the members of our community because of you. Please click on the like or insightful button. Share the SaaS Digest on your LinkedIn page, and let's work together in developing this community and setting new SaaS global standards. My name is Artem Gassan. I am the general partner at SaaS Growth Ventures, and my superpower is I fuel growth and revenue for SaaS companies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.